Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the next problem that I am going to take today. It's a question based on the topic of ellipse. It says, let the line y equal to mx and the ellipse 2x square plus y square equal to 1 intersect at a point P in the first quadrant. If the normal to this ellipse at P meets the coordinate axis at -1 upon 3 root 2, 0 and 0, beta, then beta is equal to. That means in this question, we have to find the y coordinate of the point where the normal to the ellipse at the point P is going to intersect the y-axis, right? Now students, in order to solve this problem, first of all, we need to get the value of m. And we have been given this information that the line y equal to mx is intersecting the ellipse 2x square plus y square equal to 1 at a point P in the first quadrant. So that means we have to focus on the point of intersection of line with the ellipse which lies in the first quadrant. Now students, to get the point of intersection of line with the ellipse, I am just going to replace y by mx in the equation of the ellipse. That means we are going to solve their equations mutually. So when we do this, we get x square equal to 1 upon m square plus 2, or we get the value of x as plus minus 1 upon square root of m square plus 2. Now students, we are interested in the point of intersection which lies in the first quadrant. So obviously the value of x has to be positive. So that means we will reject the negative value of x. Now since y is equal to mx, so it means the value of y will be m upon square root of m square plus 2. And since the point is lying in the first quadrant, so this also means that y will also be positive. Hence I can say the value of m will be positive. Now this information will help us further when we solve the question. Now from here I get the coordinates of the point P as 1 upon square root of m square plus 2, comma m upon square root of m square plus 2. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, in the question it is saying that a normal to the ellipse at the point P is drawn. Now to write the equation of this normal, you can use point form of the normal. If you know this equation directly, it's good. But if you do not know it, then I will show you the method how to get this equation. Now we have the equation of the ellipse as 2x square plus y square equal to 1. Just differentiate both sides of this equation with respect to x. So you will be getting 4x plus 2y dash equal to 0. So from here y dash becomes minus 4x upon 2y. This becomes minus 2x upon y. Now we know that y dash represents the slope of the tangent. And we also know that both normal and tangent at a particular point on the ellipse, they are always perpendicular to each other. So that means the slope of the normal is nothing but the negative reciprocal of y dash. So this becomes y upon 2x. Now students, just consider that we have to find the equation of the normal at the point x1, y1. So what should be the equation of the normal? Obviously it is going to be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And here m is nothing but y1 upon 2x1. Right? I have just used the point slope form to write the equation of the normal. Now students, the point x1, y1 is nothing but the point P. And we already know its coordinates in terms of m. So just put in the values. The equation becomes y minus m upon square root of m square plus 2 equal to, this becomes m by 2 into x minus 1 upon square root of m square plus 2. When you simplify this equation, it becomes y equal to mx by 2 plus m upon 2 into square root of m square plus 2. Right? Now students, it is given to us that this normal is intersecting the x-axis at the point -1 upon 3 root 2, 0. So obviously this point must satisfy the equation of the normal. So just put the value of x as minus 1 upon 3 root 2 and y as 0. Now students, when we solve this equation, we get 1 upon 3 root 2 equal to 1 upon square root of m square plus 2. Squaring both sides and cross multiplying, we will be getting m square plus 2 equal to 18, or m square becomes equal to 60. Now we already know that the value of m is positive, so the value of m becomes 4. Now students, we move further. Now students, the equation of the normal is y equal to mx upon 2 plus m upon 2 into square root of m square plus 2. And we have got the value of m as 4. So just put m equal to 4 in this equation. So the equation now becomes y equal to 2x plus 2 upon square root of 18. And this further becomes y equal to 2x plus root 2 upon 3. Fine. Now students, it is given to us that this normal is intersecting the y-axis at the point 0, beta. So just put x equal to 0 and y as beta in this equation. And from here the value of beta becomes root 2 upon 3. So that means option B is the correct one. Now students, next question I will be posting in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.